Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail posted stellar June quarter results owing to strong demand environment after 2 years of COVID-led disruptions. Also, the company did not witness any margin pressure and was able to pass on most of the raw material price increases to customers. ABFRL is confident of strong demand in the upcoming festive and wedding season in the second half of FY23. While it continues to build its core lifestyle brands and pantaloons business, new segments of innerwear, ethnic as well as sportswear hold a lot of promise and will provide the next leg of growth. ABFRL has a strong balance sheet with a debt to equity of about 0.4x as of FY22, which would enable it to fund the growth plans. Since our recommendation in the retail sector note in mid-June, the stock has delivered 30% returns, which is a sharp outperformance compared to Nifty's return of 8% in the same period. And therefore, we believe ABFRL is among quality stocks to be owned in your portfolio. ABFRL posted best ever Q1 performance with revenue growth of 39%, which is above the pre-COVID quarter of Q1 FY22. Demand momentum was strong as this was the first normal Q1 after 2 years of COVID-led disruptions. Growth was across product categories. Reopening of offices led to surge in formal wear, while demand was also strong in casual and wedding wear segments. In addition to that, the company witnessed increase in the share of premium brands during the June 22 quarter. Lifestyle segment posted better performance with like-for-like growth of 29% compared to pre-COVID levels. Pantaloons revenues were 15% above pre-COVID levels. New segments of innerwear as well as ethnics also scaled up significantly. ABFRL's EBITDA margins improved 130 basis points compared to Q1 FY20. While lifestyle business margins dipped 150 basis points, Pantaloons margins improved by 280 basis points owing to lesser discount. Also, profitability in other businesses compared to the loss in Q1 FY20, that contributed overall to the margin improvement. ABFRL is undertaking rapid expansion of its core brands, lifestyle brands including Allen Solly, Peter England, Van Heusen, Louis Philippe as well as value brand which is Pantaloons. For lifestyle brands, it will pursue network expansion across geographies from metro cities to tier 3 and 4 towns. ABFRL managed to increase the share of retail, which also implies its own stores in the lifestyle business from 45% pre-COVID to about 52% in Q1 FY23. Also, ABFRL has scaled up the e-commerce business, enabling it to connect with the customers directly. The concept of smaller format stores for expansion into smaller towns across the lifestyle brands has been doing well, and the company would pursue a state-wise approach for expansion as every territory has a unique product assortment as well as merchandise. The lifestyle business has been witnessing market share gains and the company would continue to sustain the outperformance. For the Pantaloons business, ABFRL aims to open 70 to 80 stores in the current fiscal compared to a store count of 377 in FY22. Pantaloons would also scale up the non-apparel business, which currently forms about 10% of the sales. Apart from the physical store expansion, ABFRL would also strengthen omni-channel capabilities and ramp up e-commerce sales. ABFRL is ramping up the ethnic wear business via organic as well as inorganic route, and it has already reached an annual revenue scale of 500 crores. For ethnic business, the company is sharply enhancing store footprint and undertaking category extensions. Select brands in the ethnic segment are also expanding in other categories like jewelry, beauty care as well as home segments. ABFRL aims to be one of the leading players in this ethnic segment. The company is also rapidly scaling up premium innerwear and athleisure business under the Van Heusen brand with aggressive expansion across trade, exclusive store formats as well as e-commerce channels. The company has added 2,000 new trade outlets for the innerwear segment, reaching an overall count of 29,000. The company will also gain control of Reebok India operations from the start of October. And there it's aiming for a leadership position in the sportswear segment for the brand, a position it enjoyed historically. ABFRL will also work to revitalize the brand by working on a number of factors such as product assortment, pricing, geographical presence as well as distribution. Now, at the current market price, if we look at the valuations, the stock is trading at a PE of 56 times its FY24 projected earnings, which is quite reasonable, and therefore we believe investors can consider adding the stock to their portfolio.